Hello everyone and welcome back to Behind the Sparkle. Today is another very fun episode because we have booked out a beautiful hotel here on the Gold Coast for the photo shoot of our brand new product, the Sunset Shimmer Drops. Do you want the house tour? Wow, welcome into our beautiful, little room we've got. This is our bathroom where we have Mum and Maddie already setting up all of the props. This is where we'll be shooting. And then if you follow me, cute little mirror. And then this is the beautiful bed. It is so comfy. I'm very excited to sleep in it tonight. And then beautiful curtains with views of the entire of Burleigh. And then see if we can get out to this balcony. Yep, so it's locked. There we go. Ooh, heavy door. And then the most stunning balcony ever. It's massive, beautiful views. Wow. All right, so you might be wondering why we have balloons, and we actually received a letter saying happy birthday to my mum. It's not Mum's birthday, but we've got balloons and a little chocolate, so I'm not complaining. And then the most important part of staying in a hotel, in my opinion, the mini bar. It is absolutely stocked. We've got some fancy little, what even are these? Low-cal sodas. Can't wait. We're having a little snack of them tonight. This is our wardrobe. We've got pajamas, we've got pink robes, and then of course I had to bring a few little cute pink outfit options because you know me, I love to overpack, but I'm gonna go and pop my first outfit on. Outfit 1 is officially on. These pajamas are so soft, so cute, and yeah, I'm ready to slay. Alright, we've just done our first round of photos and now it's my time to analyse them. I like this. I really like how tan I look in that.
Yeah, but we can make the other one tan, but that's not going to be clear. It's going to be out of focus.
I think that's perfect.
Go back to the other ones. No, other way, other way, other way, other way. Other way, oh my God, there's 5,000 photos.
Wow, who is that angel? Who is that angel? She's really pretty and stuff.
The stubborn, determined. Slaying. Anyway, these are better. The light's better. But we can.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Can they see?
Yes.
Slay! Going well. Okay, I'm here with Maddie and she's gonna talk through what she's doing at the shoot today. You're doing all the content.
I'm doing all of the content on the phone.
All the iPhone content.
Basically just copying whatever Sadie does, but on a phone.
So everything that you see, all the social content, the TikToks and story photos and stuff are done by Maddie. Slay. Yeah. She's doing well. I've already had a little peek at her content and I'm pretty happy with it.
Should we give them a sneak peek?
Yeah, we can give them a sneak peek. I don't know if they'll be able to see, but 1 second. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Whoa. Who's that? Maddie? She's slaying. Love it. And then we have Mum, whose real name is Megan. And what are you doing today?
I'm doing all of the stills content. So
big camera.
Yeah, you need muscles for the big camera. Yes.
You have a microphone.
Yeah. So I've just put the card in. We've just shot a couple of things, and I just want to check whether they're in focus or not. Right.
Mum is very, very, very specific with her photos. To me, they look perfect, but she has to zoom in this close to make sure that it really is in focus for you guys. So
just need to make sure that it's all perfect, because I don't want to get to the end of like an 8-hour shoot and we go, oh my God, it's out of focus.
yeah, so that's what Mom's doing. And then do you all know what I'm doing? So my role is to slay and to model and to basically tell everyone what to do and make sure everyone's slaying. So yeah. I just spilled water on my pants.
Lucky it wasn't the pink.
It's alright. We've got a second pair. Is it on my top? Okay, we've got our last member of the team, Miss Lexi. And what are you doing today at the shoot?
I will be modelling.
Yeah, modelling and slaying with me. What's that? Oh, hello. Tass.
One, two, three.
Our next scene, we've got head towels on, our robes, and we've moved into the bed actually. Getting quite cozy. It is quite comfy. Oh, should I tie mine up? Wait, hold that. There we go. Okay. Tie my robe up. We've got some props on the bed.
Why does mine look so saggy?
Does this look right? We've done quite a few shots. I think they've slayed, but we've just hopped into the bed next. Perfect. Hello everyone, we have an update. It's 4:45 and I feel like we're doing very well. I feel like we've got a lot of our shots and we're just figuring out what shots we want to do next. Yeah, that's cute. Very cute. We're being fueled by lollies and chocolate. Oh my god. Yeah, that's our fuel station. No. All the purple and green ones are gone. This is the worst flavour. Vlog update. It's only 6:15. It feels a lot later, but we've literally got pretty much, sorry my face is itchy. We've pretty much got everything that we wanted to shoot done, and we just need to film one more main hero video, but everything's going slay. Maddie, come on, tell everyone how's it going.
It's good. We've got lots of content.
Which is what we want.
But we have one more video.
Yeah.
They're the big one.
One more hero announcement video that includes, let me find it for you. That includes this baddie down here, which is called a cloche. So keep watching to see how we use the cloche. Okay, so the audio cut out for my last little bit of the vlog, But this was the next day after the photo shoot. Me and Mum had such a beautiful stay. It was such a comfy bed. And we just filmed some more content in the morning. We're feeling a little bit tired after our big day. But we finished off filming some more content. Here I am showing the beautiful shimmer on my eyes from the Sunset Shimmer Drops. And thank you guys so much for watching another episode of Behind the Sparkle. There are lots more exciting episodes coming. Bye!